Day has started. Let us make it a good one. Very good. Well done. You are doing very nicely. Nice comments are coming. Some are asking for different things. Very good. Keep it up. If you are facing any problem like that, you inspire me, and also I will try to solve your problems. Okay? In last video, you learnt the problems and solutions for the communication skill, spoken English. As per your request, we will prepare more new videos which will be more interesting. Okay, but today we will discuss about the vowel sound pronunciation. We will discuss about the vowel sounds. A, why only A? Already you are well known with all the symbols, isn't it? So before going that, A is one of them. A is one of them vowels. That means a vowel produces which sounds? Today we will learn. My dear students, which word I have written? Which words I have written? A. Everywhere you will find A at the beginning of a word. A is where is A? A is in the beginning of the word. It is not meant that A will be used in the beginning of a word. It may be used at the end of the word. It may be used in between the words. But at the beginning of the word, any word, if A vowel comes, then what will be its pronunciation? Sometimes we are getting confusion. We are reading AR. We are reading agree. We are reading anniversary. We are reading agent. Like that. All are. That means A started means our sounds become A. But now students, please remember, if vowel is started in beginning of the any word, then different sounds will be produced. What are they? First listen. Okay, number one, come to this sound, you know, have you any idea? Or you are not well acquainted with the symbols. It is O sound, O. This is O sound. Symbol, Symbol means this is O sound. That means A vowel, if starts, then O sound will come in some words. O sound, it is O sound. Now come to, you will find maximum words. If the word started with A vowel, but A, then maximum words will be pronounced as O. But what we are doing? We are less using O, but using A. Isn't it? Okay, I will tell that what is it? It is not adjust. You are telling it is adjust. It is not adjust. Oh. That means already I have told you, before pronouncing any word, you go to the dictionary, and in the dictionary find the symbols, transcriptions. Then you will be able to know. Okay, it is not adjust. We are telling adjust, not adjust. Like that, it is agree, nahi, agree, alive, these are all, alive, against, artist, but we are telling artist. Okay, accept, ought, we are telling at, arrest, all, alone, allow, above, assembly, but we are telling what? Assembly. About, abroad, avoid, ask, not ask, admit, we are telling admit, admire, again, achieve, achieve. I have taken some words. These are produces O sound. How will you know? How will you know? If you look into the dictionary, if you search in the dictionary, you will find that. Then you will find the difference. Okay. Then some words are there also, which produces. This is which sound? This is A sound. This is A sound. This is A sound. A pronunciation is there. What is that? Anniversary. You cannot say anniversary. You cannot say anniversary. Application, argument, aunt, aunt. If you, some tells that aunt means aunt. It is also aunt. Absent, after, acts, adjective, anger, angry, accident, attitude, agony, annual, like that. That means maximum words comes O, then comes A sound, then comes A sound, anniversary, application, A. Okay. First you got the O sound, then you get the A sound, then come to third one. Third one is coming. What is this? Can anybody tell? What is the sound? You know. It is A, it is E, chota E, A. That means A sound also. A also produces A sound. A sound. What is this? You are telling agent. No. My dear student, it will be agent, alien, apex. We are telling apex. A sound is coming. Apex, April, aim. You are telling aim. You are telling age, not age. Agent. Okay, aid. That means, and after first one you will get maximum O sound. Then if you search the dictionary, then you will come to A sound, maximum words. Then less sound you will get in A. That means agent. You will find many more words in the dictionary. Agent, alien, apex, April, aim, age. Okay. A. Then come to fourth one. Again fourth one, I have taken 2 or 3 words. That is, what is this? What is this sound? You know, it is A. It is, what is this? O. A sound is coming. That means A. What started with A, but A sound. What is this? It is not AR. It is not area. What is this? It is A. But you are telling AR. R will remain silent. I have already told you. Aoreo. But we are telling what? Area. If you are telling area, that means all sounds same. O, A, like that. Aoreo. And less you will find A sound. A sound is there. It is A sound. It is A sound. A sound. A sound is any. Like that, few, less words you will get. That means from this flow chart, you came to know that vowel A sounds produces how many kinds of sounds? Number 1, O sound. Number 2, A sound. Number 3, A sound. Number 4, A sound. Number 5, A sound. That means 5 kinds of pronunciation we are getting from the A vowel. How you will practice? No need to practice these. These are for examples. If any words comes to your doubt, directly you go to the dictionary. If you go to the dictionary, you want to search this. Suppose you are thinking it is adjust, but you want to know what will be its pronunciation. Then you go to dictionary. After what will come? The transcription will come. So, it is O sound, it is Do sound, it is a jaw sound, it is a o sound, it is saw sound, it is taw sound. Odd just, the odd just, or jaw, or just. Clear? That means you have to read this. You have to pronunciation means you have to tell this. That means from a sound we got different 5 kinds of sounds. It is required. But at the beginning of the word, I am not telling in between words. I am not telling at the end of. At the end of you will find different sounds. But after completion of this, when you will be well acquainted with these symbols and sounds and some practices, then it will be very easy to you. That means nowadays it is the call of, if you want to go, if you want to know the globe, if you want to know the globe, then what you will have to do? You have to know all these things. Then maximum things you will get cleared. When you will get cleared, definitely you will be able to understand what the foreigners or native speakers of England they are speaking. There will be no doubt. You will take interest to listen to the news. You will take interest to listen to the BBC channel also. You will take interest to read the stories, listen to the stories, novels. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have understood it nicely. If you have any problem, then never forget to comment in the comment box. And if you are a new one, then subscribe the Practical English channel. Okay.